Hi there, welcome to Codemaster Labs, your one-stop shop for all things coding. Whether you are a beginner just starting your coding journey or an experienced developer looking to level up your skills, we have got you covered. Here at Codemaster Lab, we break down complex coding concepts into easy to understand tutorials, share insightful tips and tricks, and explore the latest technologies shaping the future of software development. So grab your favorite beverage, get ready to code, and let's dive in. Here we have created a folder named Codemaster Lab, and then we have opened it in Visual Studio Code. There we are creating two folders named ChatGPT and Deepseek, where we will create index.html and index.html both in both the folders, and then we will check how both versions are giving us the codes. Okay, for that I have already opened the ChatGPT and Deepseek. I have logged into it. If you don't have account, please create an account. It's free of cost. So there we will be giving a simple task for them to create a normal calculator using Bootstrap. Okay, Bootstrap and normal JavaScript, not jQuery or nothing. We'll use normal JavaScript for both the AIs. Okay, the prompt will be same, nothing changes. So we'll just copy the code and then we'll paste it in the Deepseek as well, and then we'll hit that enter. We are not using the net as well, so Google or connect with internet and get the results from there, nothing. Okay, it's a simple calculator code. Let's see whose UI is winning, whose calculations are good, which is functional and which is not functional. It's a simple calculator, so it's taking some time. We have preview option here as well in ChatGPT. You can see, I think we can able to preview that as well. Here it's still writing the code. I can able to see here you have run option as well here, so you can run the code here in Deepseek as well. I don't know why they are not working, so it's taking long time for ChatGPT to get it loaded, but here it got error. So that's okay. We have our local host. We can just copy the code. We will create one index.html file and then we will paste the complete code. We'll just open it in the live server. Okay, and since it is not working over here, we'll stop that ChatGPT code and I can able to see Deepseek code is getting loaded in our browser. So little bit time it is taking. The UI is not that too perfect. So where is equal to and all, it's not been displayed properly. I think it's taking some time to get it loaded. Till it gets loaded, we will copy the ChatGPT version. Okay, we'll copy the code and we'll create one file of index.html and then we'll paste it out, and we'll again open the same thing in the live server. Here you go with ChatGPT version, colors and all is good, and you can see the Deepseek has completely loaded and the UI is little bit much more good looking than the ChatGPT's UI. It's normal, simple with 2 or 3 colors, which is awesome. Here you have more bright colors in ChatGPT. So UI, Deepseek wins. Functionality, if I check, both they are doing the same functionalities. So nothing much changes required. So we will ask both of them to create a scientific calculator, because complex tasks can be calculated using scientific calculator. So I'm giving a simple prompt to create a scientific calculator for the both same prompts I'm using. So let's see who is giving the perfect calculations in this scientific calculator. So once it is done, so we will create folders with sci.html and scientific.html in both the folders. The classification of names are different here. So I'll close the previous normal calculators and let's see this. Now let's test who is winning, UI and as well as the calculation part. Here ChatGPT has gave us the code. Let's copy the code. Let's paste it in the ChatGPT science.html and let's open it in the scientific calculator. Great. So you got the calculator with different color combinations. Good. But all sines, cos, theta and all everything is mentioned over here perfectly. Now let's copy the Deepseek as well and paste it out and let's open it in the sign here. The UI is much more beautiful in Deepseek. So for UI UX users use Deepseek, will get perfect and good looking websites. Okay, now let's see the calculation part as well. So here you are getting error. I have clicked like sign data, so there is no bracket close option over here, so that's the reason I'm getting an error over here, the ChatGPT version. But you have here brackets. The good part of DeepSeek is you got that things ready, but since there is 0 in front of it, so I can't able to remove it, so I'm getting the errors. Okay, if I load it out and again if I do the tan and all, still I'm getting that error. So okay, the errors are common. So what I'll do, I'll just do it, multiply 1 with this thing. I think this should work. 1, if I multiply 1, so that should work. 1 multiply with sine 90 degrees. Here you go, you got the answer. So small modifications, if I give small prompts to DeepSeek, then I can able to get the answer perfectly. So here completely, if you see, for UI DeepSeek wins. Functionality part also little bit DeepSeek wins, and ChatGPT gets failed. So I can proudly say like DeepSeek is doing much more better. American AI should enhance their code or enhance their AI. But definitely we have learned all the things how this work and all by using ChatGPT and OpenAI, but DeepSeek is winning the situations. We don't know in future what happens. Thanks for watching this video on Codemaster Lab. We hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome coding content. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts and any questions you might have. We are always here to help you on your coding journey.